Hey, I'm Stuart with Kailo Labs, and I've heard from you that sometimes you have a hard time knowing where to place the patch for hip pain. So I'd like to try and show you in this windy, beautiful beach location. Okay, so I have a Kailo patch with me, and I'm gonna turn my back to the camera. This time I'm gonna assume that I have hip pain in my left hip. So I would start actually pretty high, and I would leave it there for a couple of minutes to see if I notice any difference. And the way I notice a difference is by trying to flex it, trying to aggravate it the way it usually hurts, right? And if I noticed that there was a difference, I'd leave it there for a little while until I feel like it got as good as it was gonna get. If there is no difference, if it's not changing and you want more relief, then I would start moving it down. Move it down farther on your back. Now, about 3 inches away from my belt line is where the nerves from my spine branch out to go down my legs. And so instead of going all the way down to my belt line, I'm gonna stop about here and then turn it at a diagonal to try and move along that pathway of the nerve that's gonna go down my leg. And so the next place I might try it might be over here on the side above my left buttock, and I'll leave it there for a little while to see if that helps relieve the pain. And over time, I'll keep trying, 2 or 3 minutes in each location, a little bit closer and a little bit closer to where the pain is. Now, if you've got pain and you're down this far and you still haven't found relief, keep going and put it right on the pain. But keep trying, turn it vertical, bring it farther to the side, put it right in your crack. Be creative and try everything you can, because it's totally worth it. Because when you find that solution, you'll notice and it'll be immediate. All right, so if you can't figure out the solution to your hip pain, you've tried and you feel like you need some help, then please go to gokailo.com and follow the menu to our concierge program. Our concierge program gives you a 20-minute free video where we talk to you face to face and we see where you're placing it and give you suggestions of how to do it better to find resolution to your pain. Good luck. I'm sure we can help.